Divorce is tough. It's emotionally draining and financially complex. Separating your lives also means separating your finances, which can be incredibly stressful. One of the biggest challenges couples face is how to deal with credit card debt. Who's responsible for what? How does it impact your credit score? Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this difficult time. Let's break down the essentials of managing credit card debt during and after a divorce. Before we dive into solutions, it's crucial to understand how debt liability works, especially regarding credit cards. The rules can vary depending on where you live and whether you have a common law or community property state. In common law states, debt is generally considered the responsibility of the person who incurred it. For example, if your spouse racked up credit card debt shopping for personal items, they would be solely responsible for that debt, even after the divorce. However, there's a catch. If you're a joint account holder on that card, you're also responsible for the debt, regardless of who made the purchases. Community property states, on the other hand, view debt incurred during the marriage as a shared responsibility. This means that any debt, whether it's from credit cards, personal loans, or even medical bills, is considered the responsibility of both spouses, regardless of who incurred it. So, even if you weren't the one using a particular credit card, you're still on the hook for half the debt in a community property state. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions during a divorce. It's best to consult with a legal professional to determine how debt liability applies to your specific situation. They can help you understand your rights and responsibilities, ensuring you're well protected. Protecting your credit score during a divorce is paramount. Your credit score is your financial report card, and a good score is essential for renting an apartment, buying a car, or even getting certain jobs. Here are some steps you can take to safeguard your credit during this transition. First, close all joint accounts. This includes credit cards, bank accounts, and any other lines of credit you share. Closing these accounts prevents further debt from accumulating under your name after separation. Second, establish individual credit. If you don't have your own credit card, now is the time to get one. Having credit in your name helps you build a positive credit history, which is crucial for securing loans and other financial products in the future. Third, monitor your credit reports regularly. You can obtain free credit reports from all 3 credit bureaus annually. Review these reports carefully for any inaccuracies or unfamiliar accounts. If you find any errors, dispute them immediately with the credit bureaus. Finally, consider consulting a credit counselor. They can provide personalized advice on managing debt, improving your credit score, and achieving your financial goals post-divorce. Section 4. Navigating legal waters. Addressing potential challenges. Divorce often comes with legal challenges, especially regarding finances. It's common for couples to disagree on how to divide assets and debts. If you and your spouse can't reach an agreement on your own, mediation or legal intervention might be necessary. One common challenge is hidden debt. One spouse might have incurred debt without the other's knowledge, leading to complications during the divorce. If you suspect your spouse is hiding assets or debts, it's essential to bring this to your attorney's attention immediately. Another challenge is the enforcement of court orders. Even if a divorce decree outlines specific financial responsibilities, one spouse might not fulfill their obligations. This can include failing to make alimony or child support payments or refusing to pay their share of joint debts. If your ex-spouse isn't complying with court orders, you have legal options. You can file a motion for contempt of court, which could lead to fines or even jail time for the non-compliant party. It's best to consult with your attorney to determine the best course of action in your specific situation. Section 5. Financial independence. Tips for post-divorce stability. Divorce marks a new chapter in your life. It's a time to rebuild and create a secure financial future for yourself. Here are some practical tips for maintaining financial stability post-divorce. Create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses to understand your cash flow. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending and prioritize your financial goals. Build an emergency fund. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. This will provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Focus on your career. If you took a career break during your marriage, consider updating your skills or seeking new job opportunities to increase your earning potential. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many resources are available to help you navigate the financial challenges of divorce. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from financial advisors, therapists, or support groups. With the right tools and support, you can overcome these obstacles and build a bright and secure future.